Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I have created this makeup look right here. As Eid is around the corner, so I thought of creating a festive glam makeup look, and this is what I have come up with. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. I'm starting with my eyes first, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favours the Brave palette, and I'm applying a dark brown color as a crease color. I'll be then intensifying this color and concentrating it on the outer V of my eyes and blending it with a clean blending brush so that there are no harsh edges. After that, I'll be applying a teal green color all over my eyelid, and I'll be following it with this beautiful aqua blue kind of shimmery wet eyeshadow. I have completed my other eye off camera, and I have applied falsies as well for this look. I have used pack number 53 as false lashes. I will then be cleaning the fallouts from my under eyes. And for primer, I am applying this pack 0 pore separation cream. And then for foundation, I have used this Huda Beauty 4 filter foundation and will be mixing it with Faces Metaliglow highlighter and applying it all over my face. So since this is a festive look, so I have used this foundation as it will not budge all through day and will last long. And then for concealer, I have used this Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer, and I am applying it under my eyes. And for brightening my under eyes a bit more, I am using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This is in the shade medium. And to set my under eyes, I am using the banana shade from Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I am setting my under eyes so that they do not crease. For cream contouring, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I am applying it on the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, and on my nose to contour that area. And to set all that cream product, I am using the Nicka Duo Contour, and I'll be using this shade from this palette and setting my contoured areas. I will also be cleaning below my contoured area just to make it more prominent. I will use the same banana powder from Wet n Wild contouring palette. Then for blush, I'm using NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and mixing these two shades. I will be applying it on the apples of my cheeks. And just to kind of mix my own lashes with the falsies that I have applied, I am applying this mascara. Then for Kajal, I am using Nykaa I am 24/7 Kajal, and I am applying it on the lower waterline and smudging it out just for that smoked look. Then for highlighter, I've used this Maybelline Master Chrome, and I'm applying it on the highest points of my face. I'm also applying it on my brow bone to highlight that area and my inner corners as well. And then for lipstick, I am using this NYX Lip Lingerie. This is in the shade Exotic. It's a beautiful nudish pink color. And lastly, to set all my makeup, I am spritzing Wet n Wild makeup fixer, and this is the finished look. All the products used in this tutorial would be listed in the description box below, so you can check that out. I hope you guys like this look, and if you did, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care all, and bye.